Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very first engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, leave a like and subscribe. But we are out here with another showcase on our project in Lawson, Missouri. This is shaping up to be the final day of our project. We've already piered this back wall and going around the corner to the side with our King Pier 2s, got everything raised back to level. We've also gone ahead and used commercial foundation tar to seal the exterior foundation wall after we got all the cracks and everything sealed up. So everything is looking very nice out here on the outside. We are just awaiting concrete to arrive here within the next few minutes, so we will get all of the piers encased with high strength concrete underneath the footing, and then we'll be able to start the backfill and get that all finished up by this afternoon. Should be able to get it all done before the rain comes in. So yeah, everything went great on this project. Footing raised up exactly like we said it would. Yeah, just another great job by the King Piers team out here in Lawson. For all your foundation and piering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always find all of our pictures and videos from our current and past projects on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Again, just search for King Piers LLC and leave a like and subscribe. But there you can find so many videos detailing exactly step-by-step how we do all of our various repairs, whether it's our King Pier footing support pier system, straightening a leaning foundation wall braces, you name it. We have it on those pages. So again, if you've never visited before, it's just a simple search, King Piers LLC, on YouTube and Facebook. So thank you very much, and we'll try to get some final pictures when everything is finished up out here in Lawson, Missouri.